what the fuck? Bro. I'm not trying to hate, but you look like a troll dog. What's up? What's your name, girl?
Melissa.
Is this all your real hair?
Yes, it is.
My God, did you? And it looks beautiful, it looks luscious. And is this your man?
Yes.
How long you been together?
A little over a year, and it's his birthday.
Oh my God. My guy, you gonna get some head tonight?
I sure fucking hope so.
Bro's gonna need like 15 hair ties. He's gonna be like, bitch, why you got so much fucking hair?